Hello, my fellow Bitcoiners, holders, investors, and traders. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all doing great. And today I'm gonna do another technical analysis since you guys were asking. And this is why I think the correction is over. This is my point of view. You know, I'm not trying to change nobody's mind. It's my point of view, and if you wanna, follow what I'm saying or what I'm doing, just do it. And let's start off with uh, the chart. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is a chart, naked chart, naked, nothing. There's nothing on there, and we're gonna start off with with a parabolic indicator move, which would be right here, parabolic curve. Okay, notice that this Bitcoin hasn't dropped from here. It's a parabolic curve. All right, and as soon as it touches this levels, it just goes back up. Okay, I'm moving a little bit there. Alright, this is the first thing you guys gotta notice. This is going in a parabolic move. Okay, then let's go with some indicators, the ones that I use, which would be Bollinger Bands, uh, True Strength Indicator, Average True Range, or True Strength Indicator, MACD. I use a parabolic SAR too, the RSI, and True Strength Indicator. All right. The first thing that we can see over here is the MACD is fading. It's fading away. You see, this indicates that it's coming. Like it's gonna start moving to the upside. And the way that you can tell is by changing the time frames. You see, the 12 hours is starting to cross. So the more time it takes, the more it's gonna keep on crossing, and you see a momentum building up. Let me get the momentum indicator too. See the momentum building up. Momentum was low, now it's going up, and that's on the 12 hour. Now let's change to a daily. See, it's still down, but on the 12 hour, it's going up. So you got to change time frames to be able to see where it's going. Okay, the true strength indicator just crossed on the 6 hour. On the 12 hour, it's about to cross too. The MACD is about to cross too. That's what, one, two, three indicators are telling you that it's gonna go up. I don't know why people are saying that it's gonna go down when you got like the indicators telling you where it's going. So as far as price target, I use Fibonacci. I know a lot of people don't like that, but Fibonacci is just powerful, and we can do a swing from the high to the low to see where it's gonna retrace. We already see that it already retraced to the 38%. It's sitting there waiting for people to take profits. Next target will be the 50. So I would say 11,145. 11,145. That's another target. Then you got the 618, and then you got the 786. So you could like set targets over here. Look, right there. Boom. That's another target you could take profit. That's another target you could take profit right here too. So that's what I'm saying. Like, like you could like tell where it's going through the indicators. this indicators, and also with the Fibonacci retracement. It's sitting right there at 38. You know, people are taking profits right now. That's why it's just, it's going down and up, down and up, down and up. But once this gets broken, next level the 50%, then the 618, and it just keeps on going like that until you hit this. And after this, if you break it, it just keeps on going up. But that's one of my like this is my indicators that I use a lot. The RSI too. You can tell that it's moving up. Let's see it change the time frame. Boom. You see 47. What 49? It's just going up. It hit the bottom. You already reset. You already hit bottom. Already hit bottom over here. Now it's going up. On the daily, I guess this was the bottom right here on the daily. Now it's going up. And what else can I show you guys? As far as like a bigger price target, if you trade on the weekly or you trade on the monthly, you could do a Fibonacci extension from here to here, and then see these different levels where the 618 is gonna hit, the 50%, the 78, and the 127. So yeah, guys, as simple as that. Simple as that. Remember the parabolic line right here. It will never go down from here. From this line, it doesn't go down. It will never go down. I think Bitcoin is designed for that. Like we can go back. We can go back and do the same thing on the previous. On the previous bull run. We can draw that curve right there from the beginning of the whatever run it had. It never went. I mean, it did cross it a little bit, but it never closed below that.
Daddy, look at their nose.
Hold on, Heidi. I'm doing something. Just wait. Sorry, that's my daughter. She's right here with me, watching TV. But yeah, you see this curve right there. It never it crosses it, yeah, but it never closes. A candle never will close below this line. You see how it always. Let me take this off. You see how it never closed. A candle never closed below this parabolic line indicator, whatever you want to call it. So the same thing is happening right now, right here. You could have little wicks to breaking this line, but it will never close below this line. So yeah, guys. And then another indicator I like to use is the Ichimoku cloud. Ichimoku cloud is like my main one. It's like my favorite one. And this one, I like it because it just shows you how like if it's moving in a bullish trend or a bearish trend. Right now it's bullish on the daily, still bullish, and as you can see, it's running into the cloud, and when it gets close to this cloud, it could either start to go down or take off or go up. Like if it starts to go down, that's where you need to worry. You're like, oh, that's a bearish sign. But if it starts to go up, this will open up. The cloud will open up, and this one, it will just go up, and this will open up. But if it starts to go down, if it starts to cross the cloud, this will become red, and that's a bearish sign. Like it's negative, and that hasn't happened ever since the bull run started. Ever since this started, ever since the 3,000 started breaking up. Look, right here. Never, it hasn't crossed that cloud yet. So this means, to me, it's still bullish. Bitcoin will always be bullish. And if you wanna lose your money and go short, that's up to you. Indicators, everything to indicates to the upside. And yeah, that's all, folks. And I'm gonna show you a quick video of what's gonna happen when Bitcoin hits 15K. A quick little picture, and here you go. And that's all, folks, man. Hope you have a good day. Hope this, you know, gave you some light into your trading. Until next time, peace.